Testing. Test. Testing. Okay. Just gonna work on the game a little. So again, I did not do any planning for what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm just gonna wing it. Done. Okay, so I will try to continue working on my progress bar. I want my progress bar to be reflecting the correct mile. Right, so let's take a look at my progress bar again. Where is it? Okay, let's check out the progress bar. Here. So I hard-coded this to be what, 0.25 a quarter. That's not correct. It's not correct, so let's I need this to be reflecting the right value, so let's go to where this is created. The progress bar is created in the level transition UI, which makes sense. You know what, let me just turn off a few things. So many of these things around. Close all this. Okay. The weather is terrible lately. Goodness. Super humid, hot and humid. It's so hard to concentrate, to be honest. Okay, so this is the area where I create the where I instantiate the progress bar. I set the anchor to be well, it's anchored to the center of the screen with an offset. So I'm basically nudging it a little bit higher. Then what I need to do now is I need the progress bar to be reflecting the right amount of progress, I guess. So wait a moment. What did I name the variable? Here, I name it M progress. Should I call it M progress? No, I think I named it wrongly. I don't want it. I think I'll keep the naming to be consistent with my other UI structs. So progress. Let me just make some minor changes. Okay. So Let me just put this at 0.5 for now. Let's test that everything still works and nothing is broken. Just a quick test. Hello Kalazor, what's up? What's up? So are you gonna make Mega Man? Tired. Me too, I'm also a little bit sleepy, to be honest. It's feeling a bit quite a bit tired. Anyway, I'm working on the progress bar still. My progress when it comes to UI is just always very slow. Okay, so it seems like it still works. Do you like working on UI? Because I do have a lot of trouble motivating myself to work on UI. It's a bit difficult for me. Okay, so I just need to note down a few things for myself. Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Okay, under the laptop. As always. Your delete VOD is uploading, I see. Why is it taking so long? You feel like a x/xx would be easier to know what's going on if the progress is. Oh yeah, I'm going to do both. I'm going to do both. Yeah, but you're right. Why do I say VOD? It's VOD. What? How do I pronounce that? Question about Mega Man. Can you move whilst charging in all of the games? In all the Mega Mans that introduce the charging mechanic, yes, you can charge and run at the same time. In the really early ones, I think the very first Mega Man that introduced charging, once you charge and fire, you kind of I forgot, you kind of have to wait for your arm to return to you or something because you're firing the entire arm away. Yeah, I think there was this one game that does that, but aside from that, I think it's you can charge and run at the same time. Yeah. Like the fish caught but with V. Bot. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, let me check. Is the music playing? Oh yeah, it is. Sweet. Have I seen this? No, let me check. The name looks a bit familiar. Zack Barnard sounds really familiar. What did he make? Oh, maybe I'm... No, I think I got it wrong. Shampoo, Game Maker GUI framework. This one. Ooh, look at that. It lets you build graphical user interface using a markup language. Okay. Supports live coding, so you can create and debug interface in real time. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Cool, man. Thanks for the share. This is nice. Let me bookmark this. Going to save it under GameMaker Tools. Yeah, this really is quite fancy. Yes, the callback functions supported as well. On load, on step, on close, on draw, on drag. HTML5 support as well. It's very nice. Hey, thanks, man. Looks good. Okay, now I just need a few things that I need to keep track of. I have this thing called Persistent Data Manager. Persistent data. Just need to write this now so I don't I keep my thoughts organized. Otherwise, I keep losing track of what I'm thinking. Stores info on collectibles. Right, so I will be using it to retrieve total number of collectibles. I also need to know the total number of collectibles in a level, which I believe I stored the information somewhere. I just don't remember where I store it. Just have to look for it in a bit. You need to stay awake, it's not even 5 PM. Can maybe drink a little bit of coffee. Alright, where did I store all my information about the collectibles? Oh wait, I do have a collectible object, isn't it? Collectible helpers. Get collected collectibles. Wow. Where are all of these things written? Collectibles. It's all here. Save data. There we go. Get total collected. Oh, I guess I don't have to rewrite a lot of stuff. That's good. I have it all here already. Get collected collectibles. Get total. Total collected refers to from all worlds. Got it. I need one for a level. Get total collectibles level. Oh, okay, I see. Why don't I see it here? Where is that? Why is it not here? Check. Oh wait, this is world. Damn. This one. Yeah, it's this one. Where is this? Under save data, get total collectibles world. What's happening? Load. Load collectibles. I see. I think this needs to be in its own script. Hang on. You think it may be because you've started fasting, so you only eating from 12 PM to 6 PM, I see. I think you need to eat more so you get energy for the rest of the day. Yeah. But it's only 5 now, right? You still have time to get some food in. Get some energy. Save data. Create screen. Yeah, I'm gonna copy and paste this here. Okay, let me just double check, get total collectibles. Okay, it's good that I have this helper functions ready. So I should be ready to do what's gonna come next. This one. Yeah, I'm also feeling rather tired the entire day. Not sure why. Okay, this 0.5, I need to get rid of this. And... get total collectibles. I pass in the room ID, which is just the room, divided by no, it's supposed to be get total collected. How do I get the ones that are collected for a particular level? I look for that. Hang on, Get collected collectibles. Oh, it's right there, I see. Hello Amanda, how's it going? How's it going? Never name? Wait, really? Name? Name or ID? ID is... yeah, this is ID. This one is... name? Are you serious? Why am I so inconsistent with this? My goodness. Wow. Why did I write this? Okay, never mind. I will just do it like this, I guess. Too lazy to change it. Too lazy to refactor. I'll do it like this. Didn't do any work just playing Ocarina. Ocarina is a great game. You defeated King Dodongo. Is it the one that where you have to throw bombs into its mouth? Aha, I see. Fun times. What the? Why did it disappear? Throw it into a mouse to stun it and then you keep slashing at the head, right? Yeah, fun times. Now you're back at Kakariko village. Okay, so this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 here. I have 3 left. 7 here, 4 collected. 4 out of 7. 4 out of 7. What? Illegal array use? Why? What array? What array? Illegal array use. The owl brought you back the I see. The illegal array, what? Okay. Oh wait, this returns an array? Oh no! Damn it. This returns an array. So that means I need to... Oh my god, okay. Array length. Oh my god, this code looks... very bad. You got the rotating slash attack from the Great Fairy. Kai Tengiri. I see. I know, right? The Great Fairy looks... the Great Fairy looks interesting. And the way it appears, right, it's almost like a... If I remember when they emerges, they're kind of like screeching or something, right? Like, Wah! I don't know, there's a sound that they make. I cannot remember what it is. Yeah, but it was definitely rather memorable. Since he has a friend near the castle, so I will probably get lost trying to find IC. We should play Breath of the Wild. That game is all about getting lost. Like, being lost is the way to play it, you know? Because when you're lost, right, you're just like looking out for anything new, and there's always something new in Breath of the Wild. That's amazing. You're always progressing. Because there isn't really this linear sequence of objectives that you need to clear. Right, you can do anything out of sequence. For most part. So yeah, I highly recommend Breath of the Wild when you're able to get it. I think this part is correct, but what I need to do now, right, is I need to animate. How do I put it? Let me think. So what's going to happen is when the bar shows up, collectibles that I have previously collected will already be like shaded. Alright? And then for any new ones that I collected this run, there has to be some kind of an animation. Like it will extend the bar from here all the way to here. Yeah. In that bad game where you walk around and nothing happens. Oh, I think a lot of people will do on that. Every time you try to find that stairs that leads to Goron City from Kakariko, you keep forgetting where you are. I see. If you have defeated the Longo, it means that you have met Zelda already, right? Have you? Have you met Zelda already? Little Princess Zelda. You met her when you first got into the castle, which is after the Deku Tree portion of the game, right? To learn Zelda's lullaby, right, right. I like how in every Zelda game, right, the Princess Zelda always feels very different, like from the other games. I really like Zelda's portrayal in Wind Waker. Skyward Sword as well, even though the game is not as great. Twilight Princess Zelda is a little bit like a robot, kind of emotionless. Okay, time to. Oh, I need to do some tweening here, that's right. Let me think, how do I do this? How do I do this? Let me just have an M progress. M progress equals to progress bar dot progress. Let's do that first. Hello Hannah, happy Visa Day! Happy Visa Day. Do any of us even celebrate it though? Progress bar dot progress. What am I doing again? So long as it's a public holiday. You're right. So long as it's a public holiday. That's right. Yeah, I'm a Buddhist, but it's my parents that would go to the Buddhist temple. Yeah, during Visa Day I don't really do anything. I mean, I guess I just rest, play, or maybe do some work. Do I want to Brawlhalla after stream? I don't know, I'm actually feeling quite a bit tired. But how about maybe we can play a little bit tomorrow afternoon if you want, but I don't think I'll be able to focus tonight. Yeah, so I'll probably just drag you down, if we were to play later. Just leave tired. No, it's this weird feeling you get sometimes, like you're tired, but if you lie down in bed, right, you cannot sleep. So, and this terrible hot weather does not help. It's hot and humid. It's terrible. I'm not 39, come on. Buy an aircon? No! Expensive. You had to walk in the sun for like 10 minutes and die. Yeah, I don't have an aircon. I first and foremost, I'm not rich and I'm not from a rich family, so we don't have such luxury. And it's just something that I've gotten used to, right? So we just use a fan, yeah. You have aircon, but your mom don't let you turn on every day. Because the bills is bloody expensive. Okay, I need to do this animation, so how do I do that? Oh, twin fire, let's go. Twin fire. You know a family is rich when they have the aircon on 24/7. Yeah, I know, right? I know, right? Cannot survive. Your friend made you jealous. They were like, "Oh, it's so cold. I don't like it." I'm like, I see. It was 2 degrees the other day. I was in Redmond, in the States, for 1 semester. I think I mentioned that before. So I was there during the fall. It got really cold and I realized I just couldn't handle it, you know. Like we have to walk like 20 minutes to school every morning, and I'm just like wrapping myself up with like layers of clothes, with the scarf and everything. And yeah. Just like completely not used to it. You think the heat would be more bearable without the humidity? Yeah, I agree. Without the humidity. When I was in Redmond, how much roughly do you think you spent during that semester? Oh, to be frank, I kind of went overboard. I keep buying books from Amazon because it was so how do I put it? Because there's Amazon Prime, right? And then there's free shipping. And I'm like, oh yeah, going to buy like I bought the entire set of a Zelda manga. Yeah, then I bought the Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind, the entire manga set as well. I should not have spent all those money, but I guess I can. Okay, food can be a bit expensive there. Food can be a bit expensive there, like per meal, right? Per meal, it can easily go beyond $10 if you're not careful. Which is the reason why, right? Every time I go to the cafeteria, I will always get pizza. So basically, for the entire semester, right, I'm almost daily eating like 2 to 3 slices of pizza because it was the cheapest thing there. Yeah, so food, you can spend quite a bit on food in America, I feel. Gamer diet, yeah. Yeah, but aside from that, before going, we kind of have to pay for the accommodation already, but I cannot remember how much that was. Is it 900? I cannot remember. Yeah, but I think it's really easy to overspend, you know, especially when you're overseas and you get excited about a lot of stuff that's different, right? That was my first time ever in Disneyland as well. Like before flying back to Singapore, we went to Disneyland. Yeah. Yeah, but I guess if you're careful about it, right, then I guess the main thing that will drain your money would be food. I guess that's about it. You love the cold cause you feel cold, you can wear as much clothing as you want. But yeah, if you're hot, you can be naked and still feel hot, son. I see. Redmond is not that far from Seattle. And yes. We went to Seattle as well. We went to the, what do you call it, the gum wall? You know there's this wall in Seattle, right? It's full of nothing but chewed up gums that people stick to the wall. So it's interesting, but it's also kind of disgusting. Don't touch the wall. Okay, I need to twin this. Never been to America, but to be honest, it never interests you. I see. 10 of the 3. I don't really have like a lot to say. In Redmond, I like that Redmond is very quiet. It's very quiet. It's very quiet, and Redmond felt safe. I would say that Redmond felt pretty safe. Like we walk sometimes in the evening, right? I'll walk to this second-hand bookstore and get some stuff, which is quite nice. But yeah, but in LA it feels really different. In LA you don't really feel as safe. At least in my opinion. I'm not someone who has experienced a lot, so you know, who am I to comment on all this? Twin mode once. That's good that it's quiet. Yeah, that's one thing I really liked. You're a guy, so it's still safer for you. Yeah. I mean, yes, I'm always aware that, you know, if you're a woman, your experience will be like vastly different. So yeah. I guess it's one thing that I really appreciate in Singapore, right? This should be true. Right. Delay, duration, delay, let's put it at 0.5. Duration, let's put it at 0.5 as well. The property name would be progress. And that. Ta-da! It's really bad. Right. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's all over social media, right? Yeah, we have seen the footages. It's a bit scary. It's even more scary when you think about like how they can get away with that. Progress, then destination. Progress, destination. Yeah, but honestly, I'm not equipped to have an in-depth discussion with you on this. My friend's a black man and he's quite tall. And even when he goes out to get groceries, if he sees a woman walking in the same direction, he tries not to walk too close. Ah, right. Right. Because that has happened so many times, right? The people there like overreacted or something, right? Scary stuff. Target progress equals have I ever been to Japan? No, I would love to be in Japan. I mean, the only time I was in Japan was, to, what do you call that? To switch to a different flight. I didn't even exit the airport. So I would love to check out Japan. I would love to check out where Nintendo is. Kyoto. Yeah, that'd be nice. Transit, yeah, it's called transit, right? Thanks. Thanks for letting me know. See, I travel so little, I don't even know all these terms. Quite literally, I've only flown twice, and both times is to Redmond. No, yeah, both times is to Seattle. Both times is to Seattle. Once for study purpose, the other time it was to go to PAX to showcase Space Jack because we were invited there to showcase the game. That was nice. The flight to Seattle. I cannot remember. I know it's like I think it's more than 15 hours. I think it's more than 15 hours. Was it 18? I know I watched a lot of movies there. I watched a lot of movies on in the plane. And it doesn't help that my legs. And you should get a seat with leg room, man. My legs. I guess my leg is kind of like a bit longer than average. It can be torture in the wrong seat. You want to go back to Japan but to countryside? That would be quite the experience. You don't want to go to the crowded cities. Right. In any case, during this time it's not like we can travel. Yeah, I would love to go to Japan one day, to be honest. I have a few friends there that I would like to catch up with. Yeah. Singaporean friends, like they wanted to work in Japan and now they're working in Japan. How cool is that? They wanted to work in Japan in poly and now they are actually living the life that they wanted. What do I write here? My brain can't think. Get. Yeah. Oh, there we go. This one. Current collectibles. Do your friends that work in Japan learn to speak Japanese? Yes. Yes, one of them. I feel like one of them is more Japanese than Singaporean now. Not all of them speak Japanese, to be honest. Like of the people I know, just one can actually fluently communicate in Japanese. The other one is an animator in a studio that seems to be primarily made up of foreigners, I think. Oh, but then he moved to work in Bandai Namco. Yeah, then I know another person who's working in Arc System Works. It's very cool. Some foreigners just refuse to learn language. Really? Being an animator in Japan, it turns out you don't get paid a lot, so I don't think it's. If you're in animation, I think you really have to do it as. Like, you have to be really passionate about it, I guess. Kind of like in games, I guess. It's so strange though, like you're living in a country that doesn't really speak English on a daily basis. I see. Have you seen the documentaries of the animators in Japan? I have not seen the documentaries, but like just from reading articles you can tell that it's super stressful. Scary, eh? And the pay is so low, yeah. I talked to one of the animators on Attack on Titans and the pay she got was insanely low. It's scary. It's not fair, right? Considering the amount of work that goes into animation. Work in Japan sounds stressful in general. Oh yes. Yeah, people do definitely say that about working in Japan. But when you went to Japan, you realized that Singaporeans are so unfriendly. Cultural difference, I guess. Cultural differences. Can't think, what am I doing here? Current collectibles. I have to loop through this. Let's loop through this. This is a list. Loop through this list to retrieve newly collected. Newly, let me capitalize it. Collected collectibles. DS size? No, DS list size. Oh my god, it's Ayan Yang! Hello Ayan Yang. What am I doing this stream? Oh, I'm working on the progress bar. You know, I'm not sure if you were around when I was working on the progress bar, but let me show you. Hang on. Let me show you. Oh my god, hang on. Accidentally changed my keyboard settings. Show you progress bar. It's a bit lame though, like there's no polish, no nothing. It's not working properly yet. Since you're on the cruise, they decided to go on a vacation. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I'm working on the progress bar, so you can kind of see that I have collected like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 out of 7 collectibles. So the progress bar is just to indicate like the progression, like how much you have already collected in this level. It will be reflected in this progress bar. Yeah, but I wanted to do some animation. You know, I want the bar to like to reflect. How do I put it? I want the bar to gosh, don't know how to say this. Yeah, this part here. You know, like if I've previously collected say 4 collectibles and then I collect another 2, I want there to be some kind of an animation, like stretch this bar to this to this part here. You feel like this is gonna be tedious. I feel the same. Yeah, UI is always like it's always very tedious for me. So Calazor actually showed me a tool earlier, so maybe in the future I will use that instead. But we'll see. There's a part of me that still wants to just use my own code, to be honest. Oh yeah, actually I can update the scrolling text that you can see. Let me just see. Working on Jerboa 1 button platformer. Doing up some UI related stuff. Let me see if this works properly. What the? It just says doing up some UI. What the? What the? Oh damn! I think the weave is not long enough. Is that it? Why is the text all jumbled up? Oh no! Okay, I get it. It's too long. Let me update it. Working on progress bar. Okay. Okay, seems to be working. Haven't properly tested this. Anyways. Yeah, this is pretty damn tedious, isn't it? This is pretty damn tedious, isn't it? What did I write to remind myself? Get the total. Okay, I have this already. Retrieve total number of collectibles. Where I have this. I need to know if something is newly collected. Hang on, eh? Let me check. I thought I have this thing called is collected already. Oh, there. It's collected. It's collected. Collectible ID is what? Collectible ID is what? Oh, okay. It's literally an ID. It's literally the object ID. Understood. 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 So I'm going to do this. It's kind of ugly that I'm doing it this way, right? Let me just have an alias. P-manager. P-man. P-man. I can do it like this, right? It's not necessary, but you know, I don't want the whole line to be too long. P-man is collected. So if true, this collectible hasn't hasn't been is newly collected. Alright. Ooh, I love this chiptune. Nightmare Quest. Cool. Give me a moment. I just need to adjust myself on my seat. Okay. Target progress equals to M progress. Target progress. Well, actually, this can be local. Have I been to E10? What's E10? Is this another one of your trick questions? Okay, Urban Dictionary, this can't be a good thing. I knew it. When you asked it, I knew it's going to be something like this. Who comes up with stuff like this? E10. Okay, so the idea is I will tween it till it reaches the actual value it's supposed to reach. Let's try it out. Oh no! I did it wrong. Hang on. I did it wrong. Total collectibles here. So messy. previously collected. Here. Previously collected, total collected, target progress. I need to think about this for a bit. Target progress is equals to oh wait, no. Oh man. Okay. Go to previous collected. And then at the end, divide equal total collected. Bring to range, normalized range. 0 to 1. Something like that? I don't know, man. I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly or not. So I'm going to just test it out by just playing the first level. Okay. So this has all been collected already, so it should appear as full. There are 2 that has not been collected. So if I were to collect them, there should be some kind of an animation. Eh? Damn, it has been collected, so now if I were to play it, it would just be full. Okay, the animation did not work. The animation did not work because I did not use the progress variable. Oh, I'm an idiot. Goodness. I realized my twinning speed might be a problem as well. Since it didn't show, I guess you can say no progress has been made. Sure. And the progress bar is going well, we shall see. Let's see if it works. I think it will probably be broken in some ways. Ah, where is it? God damn it. I guess my progress is indeed 0. Oh. Hang on. Let me just do the lazy way of debugging. I'll just print and progress here. I like this one. Alright. Oh, you got an email for affiliate, but you're like, nope. Why? Why not? Oh, of course it's 0. What am I doing? Let me just collect this. Ta-da! It's still 0, what? Wait, what? That means this target progress is 0 for some reason. Oh, it's supposed to be... Okay, my bad. My bad. It's supposed to be not collected. It's already a video. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Oh my god, why is it exceeding the... What is going on? Look at my progress. It's like... It broke through the frame. Amazing. 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 Yeah, it's always like this when I work on UI. From what you know, people who are affiliate only get half of what they get from Twitch subs or bits. Only get half of what they get from. What do you mean? I'm not quite sure what you meant. Oh, you mean Twitch takes like half of the revenue? Oh, I see. Oh. Wow, half is quite a lot. I see what you mean now. Okay. I don't understand why this will exceed the... Hang on. Going to print a few more things so that I can make sure that it's actually working. Maybe total collectible would be good. Total collectible previous collected could be helpful. Kind of doing this debugging the painful way by typing all this. We have better TTV now. It's fun stuff. So, if I collect one... Oh, do you see that? Seems to work. 0.170,6. Okay. So the next time I restart, this should say 1 instead of 0. Yes. What if I collect all of them? Yeah. Why did it break earlier? What the hell? What the hell, man? Anyways, it still broke through a little bit just now, so what I need to do is I need to clamp it. I need to do this. Clamp. No. No need for clamping, just do a minimum 1. I think this will do. Let's just test it again. Yeah, it broke through a little bit, but I can fix it easy. Let me just collect half of it. I thought I saw something flashing here. There's a problem there. Oh, why is that? Anyways, restart. Let's collect everything. It's a bit too fast. It's a bit too fast. My training speed is problematic, I think. Because it doesn't take into account a lot of stuff like what's the distance you need to travel from here to here. It doesn't really take that into account. It's always fixed at 0.5 seconds. You know what? Maybe I should not be using ease out back. Let's just do ease out. Ease out quad will do. Ease out quad will do, I think. What's wrong with ease out back is that it will exceed. Hang on. I suppose this is our source value and then this is our target value. Then ease out back will exceed this target value, right? Which is why it like broke through the frame a little bit earlier. And I thought that I can try fixing it by doing a hard clamp, right? Like if it exceeds, right, I will just like lock my curve to this red line here. But then it looks super ugly. So I probably should not be using ease out back, right? I'm just gonna use ease out quad. So it will not like exceed the target value. Yeah, but in any case I still need to fix this. The duration, how do I fix the duration? Oh, actually I can fix it easy, right? All I need to do is target progress minus progress. And then I multiply it by some kind of a modifier, right? 2 times. Yeah. So that way, the duration of the twin will scale accordingly to how much there is to animate. I think that should work. We shall see. It's almost 1 already. What the hell? Time flies. Let's see if the uptime command works this time. Alright, it's working. Let's test this. Purposely leaving 2 collectibles there. Is this okay? That seems fine, right? Maybe it needs to be a bit faster. Oh yeah, I guess it works. Maybe I can make it a little bit faster, make it like 1.5, you know? Can delete this line already. Guess I'm done? No, I still need to label. I still need to do some labeling. Alright. Can you paste your link here? So I want there to be like x/xx, right? Something like this. Let me think, eh? I'm going to clear all my data. Okay. This is fine, right? That's like half. It is half. Hey, what the? It's wrong! It's wrong! Because if I'm collecting already collected collectibles, that should not affect my progress. Why is it not working? Yeah. It's bloody wrong. Oh look. Lucius. What? When duty calls, that is not... What? Oh, don't worry, I muted it. I muted it, but he's trolling. That link is from some local TV show. When duty calls, come on. What show is that even? I don't watch local TV anymore. It's your video. What happened to your gameplay? Oh yes, he was streaming a Metroidvania yesterday. Let's see. Hang on, eh? This one? Record of Lotus War, yeah. Oh, all 5 hours of it. I don't know, I feel like I want to play this game for myself as well. We shall see. It's good stuff. Oh, I'm already subscribed to you, LOL. When did I do that? Look at second video. Oh, that was the Shin Megami Tensei, right? Yeah, I see it. Hang on. Shin Megami Tensei. Google Chrome is always laggy. Thing froze up. This is what happened just now, right? Totally unfair. Yeah, I saw this, I was there, right? Yeah, hilarious. I made a clip of you getting owned by the three monsters. I need to fix this. Why is it like that? Okay, there's some bug, but I don't know how to fix this bug yet. A huge part of it is probably due to how messy my code is. Previously collected blah blah blah. I thought this line is supposed to take care of it. Huh? Why is it not working? Let me check. It's collected. I should play Toho. Toho Lunar Nights. Oh, okay. I might have seen it. I don't know why this is. I honestly don't know why this is not working. It's supposed to work. Toho Lunar Nights is pretty fun. Ah. Slightly harder than Lawless, but probably still easier than Unworthy. That one complaint I have about Unworthy is that the controls sometimes don't feel very responsive. But maybe it's just me, I don't know. Search linearly through the list. No, I did not see that 30-minute speed run. I don't want to spoil it for myself. You skipped like half the boss, seriously? Oh my goodness. So it's possible to skip the boss, eh? Skip the bosses. Okay, I need to double check something. Hello, like that. Oh, why? Why is it not working? might have to debug this off stream, to be honest. So the idea is, if I'm collecting this collectible here, these 3 unfilled ones, like the 3 that looks a bit different. If I collect them, right, it should not cause the bar to increase. Oh, cool, crap! I collected 1. But even then, yeah, this is wrong. So let me take a look at the highs. 4 highs. Yeah, it's wrong. This thing is not working the way I want it to work. Why? It's supposed to be saved, right? Add collected collectibles to save data here. And I add it in here. I'm gonna have to run it in debug mode. Let's take a look. Okay, let's clear data again. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to collect 3. Oh no, was that 3? Oh yeah, that's 3. So this is fine, right? This is fine. And then I'm put a breakpoint here. Okay, there you go. Size is 3, and then I'm going to go in here 3 times, I believe. Right, so F10. Okay, so this, how do I even check msafe data? This is level 11. Msafe data. Where's my... There we go. Oh no, this just... Oh. I need to look into the content of this list. Oh hey, Kalazor, welcome back. Welcome. Hi back. I'm stuck at a bug again. Is this going to be like one of those times where I spend an hour staring at something and have no progress? Time to get the coding. Hey, sounds great. You don't think you like coding anymore? I went in here 3 times. Okay. Then let's continue. I'm going to collect this 3 again. Yeah, it didn't go in anymore, right? But for some reason it... What? What? Oh, it's because I didn't clear, is it? Did I not? It's clear here, it's clear, what the hell? What the hell, man? What's wrong with my code? Yeah, blob dance is awesome. What is wrong with my code? Logically, it seems to be working. I have to be making some other mistake somewhere else. It's hacky, that's why. Hacky. Stress bar 100%, that's right. If true, this collectible is newly collected. Let me think about this. Ugly paws? No. Pretty paws, look at that. If true, this collectible is newly collected. Yeah, this function is definitely not working. It's collected. Pretty where? Pretty everywhere. Let me think. Name equals to get collectible name. Search linearly through the list. If I can find it in the list, I will return true. Seems fine. Yeah, it doesn't look wrong. Think you're going blind? I see. Oh right, then hang on. Let me get a drink of water first. Okay. Whew. Pretty. Search linearly through the list. Small list no matter. I think I need to debug here later. let's try this. I don't like how I cannot zoom in into the debugger. For some reason the debugger cannot be zoomed in. Why? Why is it designed like this? Okay, list size is 3 because I collect... I only collected 2, right? Hmm? Oh no, this is the list containing the IDs of the collectibles that has previously been collected. So 3 is correct. 3 is correct. Name is empty string? Oh no! Name is empty Why? Sorry, F8? What about F8? Why is F8? Let me try. Oh! Let me try let me try doing it in debugger. Oh my god, I never knew about that. Why, thank you. Then is S7 zoom out? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I never knew about this. This is nice, thank you. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is awesome. So I usually just do this. Sorry about that. %90 of the work. Yeah, how can I read that? Yeah, I have trouble reading that tiny text. It's puts a strain on my eyes. I can also go to bear with the small text. Never. I just don't get it. I need to check room N when I add this in. Oh, okay, one moment. Add collectible, let me check. Yeah, I just passed the ID in. All I did was pass the ID in. File preferences, text editor, code editor, color, default size. Oh, right. Yeah, that could be yeah, that could be helpful. Thanks, man. Thanks, I appreciate it. When code doesn't work, why are you not working? Right. I mean, if the code doesn't work, then there's a mistake that I'm making. It's just trying to identify what the mistake is. Sometimes it's a very silly mistake. I have wasted a day. It's really stupid, but I have wasted a day, right? Because I was using the wrong units for the angles. Yeah, like for example, a function needed the angle in degrees. Then I was passing in radian. I'm like, what? Why is it not working? Wasted a whole day on it. Like in hindsight, it's such an obvious problem. Revolution. Add collectible. Never 2 radian 2 degree. Yes. Let me just sit here and stare at this for a bit. Radian 2 degree. Is there a radian 2 degree in GameMaker? Let me check. Oh, typing in the wrong place. Hang on. I cannot type here. Wait, can I? Oh, I can. Oh, I can do it. Radian. Yeah, there is a radian 2 degree. Nice. I think I've been doing it manually. Right? Because 180 degrees equals to pi radian. Ta-da! Okay. You can let the computer do it for me. No, there's no difference, right? I mean, I guess obviously if the helper function is there, I should use it. But if I were to do my own radian 2 degree, it's the same. Performance-wise, it's the same. It's just not advisable, right? Why would you want to have 2 functions doing the exact same thing? Yeah. I wasn't aware there is one before, so now I will not be writing my own. You honestly don't need your own function actually, because it's actually just a constant. So 180 degrees equals to pi radian. So 1 degree is equals to pi over 180 radian, right? So if you have like x degree and you want to convert it to radian, then all you do is just do this, right? So what you need to do is you just store this value. It doesn't even need to be a function. It's just a variable. It's just a constant. So if you want, right, you can even do a macro of this. Yeah. And then radian 2 degree is just the other way around. Does the variable definition get ran before create event? Variable definition. Where's the variable definition? You mean? I'm not quite sure what you meant by that because all of my variables are like in create. All of my variables are in create. Under physics. Oh. I believe so. Otherwise there's no point to it. I believe so. I rarely use this. I think I use it like once or twice, but that's about it. Yeah, but I cannot say for certain, but I believe that these definitions at the very least have to be executed before the create event, otherwise there's no point. No point to having this at all. I don't know what's wrong with my code. God damn it. I'm getting a empty string from here for some reason. Get collectible name is empty string. How can that be? Because it is undefined. Undefined? Why? Undefined? What the hell? Hang on. Undefined? Did I forget the no, it cannot be. I don't know. Am I passing in the wrong level ID? I think I might be passing in the wrong level ID. No, it did not trigger this. Oh my god. So, it's this one. It's not undefined. But what? Let me think. Oh, a link! Let me see. What was this? These are created before the create event and instance creation code / instance variable definition. The order according to a test is object variable definition first, instant variable definition, instant creation code, create. Ah, I see. Thank you. This is useful. Because like some of this is not like very obvious, right? Like instance creation code first or create event first. That's nice. Thanks. Forum stuff. Oh, this person is from Yo-Yo Games. You know, there's something I realized. They don't document very well. Let me look for this particular thing called the order of events. Hang on, see if I can find it. Order of event. I think there's one here. There's one example here. There's another one I'm looking for. There's another one. There's two versions. And then this is the latest one that doesn't really tell me what I need when I needed it. So I needed to know the event order, right? So I went to the latest documentation and they don't really they don't really lay out the event one by one. Hang on, eh? Other than these specific events, the only known order that will always occur in the same way no matter what belongs to 3-step events and different draw events. This will always remain consistent. So if you have okay, so they talk about the step event and then the draw event, and then I needed to know when the collision event comes in, and then it's not here. So I was like, okay, fine, I will check the older documentation, and they have it here like that. So I followed this and it didn't work. So I look at this step event, right? So I assume step event means step begin, step, and then step end, then followed by the collision events. But it seems like, at least for GMS2, this is not, it's not actually like this as stated in the documentation. So then like I came across another documentation here. Is it this one? Is it this one? I don't know. But I found another article. What the? Where's the documentation? Okay, it's not this. The manual was written by the man behind GameMaker. Where's the menu? Where's the manual? Oh, this one. PDF. I have to download. Ah, come on. There we go. Is it this one? Ew, I used the collision event. I needed it for some of the simpler stuff. Yeah, it's not this one. It's not this. But in any case, the documentation is wrong. Like this one, this is wrong for at least for GMS2 is wrong. And then here they don't tell me where the collision events come in. Yeah, I just wanted to point it out because it seems that it's supposed to be step begin, step, then collision events followed by step end. It seems that it's like that. Yeah, but yeah, I just want to point it out because that problem that gave me a little bit of an issue for a while. Just asking because you're possibly wanting some variables to be created before the parent object's create event. Ah, I see. I see. Okay. Yeah, you return. Oh man, why does it return nothing? Array size is 6. 6. Because there are a total of 6 collectibles in the level, that's why it's 6. Okay. You know what? I am going to check out my collectibles. Hang on, collectible. This one. What did he say the ID was? 47BC6246. This one. My eyes! It's this one. It's here. Why is it not found? I don't get it. Why is it not found? It's the last one. Why is it not found? What the heck is that? Oh, I generated well, so basically I needed the way to refer to individual collectibles by a unique identifier, by a unique ID. So there isn't a way to do it within GameMaker itself, so I wrote the script to scan through all my levels and generate this function for me. So that's what I'm using, yeah. But I'm not supposed to, how do I put it? This is essentially just information, alright? There's no logic here, it's just information. So it's done this way because if in the future I needed to shift my collectible to a different position within the level, right? Nothing changed, the save data still valid, everything still works. Yeah. Because the ID is retained. Yeah, but it definitely looks a little horrifying at the first impression. It's like, wow, what is this? I don't get why it's not picked up. Ay. Array.index. Array.index. I have kind of forgotten a lot of. Or index refers to. Index refers to this one. Okay. Collectible ID. I need to. Where's my cost tag? Cost tag is useless, it's always empty. Why is that? Why is it like this? I don't get it. Is there something I don't understand about the about this feature? It's always empty. Why is the cost tag always empty? You know what? I am not making any progress, so if in 5 minutes I'm still not making progress, I'll probably just end it here. And then I'll figure it out off stream. He's collected. He's collected. There's something to cheer me up. Let's see. Oh, this is awesome. The animation here is always funny as hell. Hataagi. What happened? A white flag. Thanks, Ayan Yang. Oh my god, the chickens. It ended with this. What's going on? Hata means flag. Ah. I see. Today I learned. It's this one. This is giving me an empty string for some reason. Eh? But hang on. Okay. Let me try again. Yeah, okay. It really is empty. Run it. Okay, let's run everything first. Let's restart. What the? Yeah, all of this works. It's only towards the end when I core it and it starts failing for some reason. It has to be a careless mistake. It's always a careless mistake. Okay. You should go now, cockroaches are back from vacation. Thanks, Ayan Yang. They have fun. Thank you, bye bye. Yeah, best of luck with the war. It's weird. Oh! Oh my god, it was the wrong type in the... It was passed as a string, but it needed to be an ID. What the heck? What went wrong? What the hell? Hang on, let me think. What went wrong? Okay, I get it. Yeah, I should have known, right? I put ID in here. I name it as ID. How did I end up passing in a string? Let me see. I think that goes to show that I have to name my functions better. Hang on, eh? Name my parameters better. Let me see where is the part where I Where's the part where I check if it's collected or not? This one. So I assume that this is an ID, but it's not, it's a string. Oh my goodness, how do I convert it? How do I convert it to an ID? Hang on. Why did I even save it as a string? I don't get it. Yeah, I added a string. I added a string. I can refactor it to make use of to store ID instead of string, but I'm so afraid I'll break other stuff. Yeah. I guess I can do it like really dumb. I can do it like a really stupid way of doing things. Why not, right? Why not? Why not? I don't need that kind of performance anyway. Let me see if I can switch it back around. Collectible ID. Let me think. Hang on, eh? Let's think. You know what? Let me just take a... Let me just think about this for a bit. Guess I can create another one. No, that's not a good idea. Can I guess I can make use of this. Damn it. Damn it. So nonsensical now. There we go. I'll return a -4. No one. Okay. No one should be a -4 actually. Search linearly. Let me think about this. Get collectible ID. Okay. Here. I'm doing some weird funky stuff in my code, but as long as it works, right? Yeah, it's working. There we go. It's working. So if I collect one more, it will grow a bit. If I collect two more, I collect two more. Ta-da! There's a bit of a flashing thingy going on up there. That's not good. Yeah. Okay, I can fix that as well. Just need to call update. Just call update. And this will update the position. The thing is, I'm not quite sure why I needed to do this, because update is supposed to be... It should have already been updated one time before drawing, but what is going on? Oh, I get it. I get it. It's because I am creating this level transition UI in runtime. So when I call instance create, the create event will only be triggered in the next frame, right? Hey, is that how it works? Not entirely sure. Have to look into that. Have to look into that. Yeah, but it probably has something to do with the fact that I am instantiating this particular object in runtime. In real time, sorry. In real time. How many are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. If I collect this amount, be 5. This is 5 out of 7. Let's collect more. And I think there's no more flashing going on. Ta-da! That seems to work. Yeah, that works, That's good. What time is it? 1:56. 1:56. Oh, I've not even done the digits. Not even done this part. That's not good. Let me think. Yeah, but I probably should end it. Probably should end it. Let me just take a look at how I did some of the number labels. Let's go to UI. Level button, this one. No, not this one. Word button. Excuse me, word button. No, highlighter is the one that has it. Highlighter. Oh no, yeah, never ends on time, right? Bitmap digits, is this the one? Yeah, it's this one. Word button. Digits. Highlighter. Let me check this. Word selection. Total collectibles dot draw. Okay, what is that? Oh, that's the top right. That is on the top right. I need to think about this. Or just a little bit more. So I can start off quicker when I return to this. Highlighter. Wait, what does this actually do? Let me check. So I have forgotten quite a few things. Oh. Alright, the highlighter is just this box, I see. I see. Ah, the word button is the one I want to look at. Look at this. Goodness, I don't even want to go back to read all this. Kind of overcomplicated the way the level selection, the word selection works. Don't draw when unlocking animation is playing. Don't draw when unlocking animation is playing. Right. Draw label. Which one is the label? Draw stats. There we go, this one. Draw bitmap digit pair. Looks like I've written a helper function for it. To do fix this. What the hell? This is one of those to-dos that I wrote to make myself feel better and then forget about it. To do fix this. I think it has something to do with the icon. Okay. Okay, I guess I can make use of this. Draw bitmap digits pair. Draw bitmap digits pair. I need to write it somewhere so I don't forget. Draw bitmap digits pair. Anyways, pause button bug is fixed. Draw bitmap digits pair. Okay. Note to self. Draw bitmap digits pair. Okay, I guess that's it. It's time for me to end this. A quick recap would be I spent a huge amount of time just debugging something rather silly. But I have finally hooked up the progress bar to the actual number of collectibles that the players have collected. So if we were to play this, alright, you can see that there are a total of say 5 collectibles here, right? If I don't collect any one of them, oops, okay, maybe if I just collect one of them, 1 out of say 1 out of 5, oops, wait a moment, I will only get like this one small chunk here, right? And again, if I hit back in and I collect the same one, then no progress is made. But if I collect the rest, then yes, there's progress. All the way to 100%. So that's what I've done so far. Right, you can see the twinning going on. But I need to make this better, so I need to include like some numbers in there to make it clearer. I know how many collectibles you have actually collected out of the maximum number. I guess that's about it. Let me just test this also. Alright, that's about it. Yeah. Okay, so hang on, let me sit up. Okay, yeah, I guess that's it. So tomorrow I will just be fixing up, polishing out a bit, right? Put in the numbers in there, so it's clearer. Okay, and with that, thanks everyone for hanging around. Thank you so much. Fix all the bugs. Yeah, I know, right? I think most of the critical bugs I have already fixed, but there are still a few that is bugging me. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. That's what I'll be doing tomorrow. I still need to finish out like the general transition UI. Yeah, so that I can finally move on to push a new update. I'm hoping to push a new update so that so everyone can at least try out the new levels. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Thanks for hanging around. Thanks, Colazol. Thanks, Amanda. I will see everyone again soon. Bye bye.